Hello, I'm going to show you a very easy, yummy chickpea salad, and we've got lots of ingredients to add into it and make it really zesty and vibrant.
We're going to start with some romaine leaves.
Next I have roughly about 240 grams of chickpeas. They are tinned chickpeas. I've drained the liquid, gave them a rinse,
And I'm going to chuck them over the leaves. Next I have some finely chopped red onion. This is roughly half an onion. Next I have a handful of chopped green olives. I have some pickled peppers from a jar that's been in oil, some red and yellow pepper. Okay, next I'm going to do some good glug of olive oil over this with a freshly squeezed half lemon. Got some Himalayan salt. Got a small handful of chopped parsley. I'm chucking over some capers over it as well. And I've got balsamic glaze to finish it off.
a very easy chickpea salad to bring back summer into your kitchen or onto your dinner table.